In front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. If you are struggling to find an option that will adjust your screen brightness automatically, here's how to do it within few seconds. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness over here. Now you can click on this switcher next to Auto Brightness, located under Brightness slider. If your switcher is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!